Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today's a really simple recipe. You can usually buy all the ingredients at Whole Foods or other stores. If you live in USA and Canada, if you live outside those countries, you could try to buy similar stuff or make the stuff yourself. But today we're going to make Thai ginger grilled chicken. It's really good. And this is the sauce we're using, Thai ginger. If you can't buy it or buy one that's close, you can find the recipe on the net or on YouTube and make it. So we only need 3 things, and then we'll put this Thai ginger chicken on top of the rice. So like I said, we're going to use the Thai ginger sauce. I tasted that already and it's really good. We got jasmine rice. With this recipe, you can leave it as the white rice or add the Thai ginger into there, and then we're going to use the grilled chicken. So let's get started. But like with this grilled chicken, this is already cooked. This saves a lot of steps. But like I said, with your house, your cooking, your style, if you want, cook the chicken up ahead of time. And you could go that route. But with my channel, I use pre-cooked chicken a lot to save time and to keep the videos short, so you don't have to see me cooking chicken. But usually if you buy these ingredients in the USA or Canada, they're not that expensive and it saves you a lot of time, and you can create meals within 10 minutes. So let's get started. Alright, so the thing we want to do first is we don't want to change the flavor of anything. So use avocado oil spray or oil. So just coat your pan. But the good thing about avocado oil, like I said, it doesn't change the flavor of your meal or what you're cooking. And it's high heat. So the thing we're going to do next is we're going to take this grilled chicken and we're going to throw that into the pan. Alright, so take that chicken. You can see how that is. And just throw that into the pan. And like I said, if you want to cook your own chicken, you can. But if you can find this chicken in USA or Canada or something similar, you can see it's pre-cooked. It already has the grill marks on it. Because my channel is basically a semi-homemade meals, semi-homemade style. It's to save us time and create good meals. So the thing we're going to want to do is put the stove on medium. Let this warm up just a minute, and then we're going to throw in our Thai ginger sauce. Then with the rice, you could cook your rice, or you could throw it in the microwave for 90 seconds. I'm going to throw mine in the microwave for 90 seconds. You can see that it cooks in 90 seconds, and it saves a lot of time, and this is organic. So even though it's microwave, it's really healthy. Alright, so we're going to take this Thai ginger sauce. You can see the quality, and you can see that chicken is on medium. Just start taking your Thai ginger sauce. You see how it'll start to smoke, and put in whatever you need. If this is really good in fish too. So just start mixing that in there, put as much as you want, and then turn your stove down between low and medium. Let that work in there. Once you get the Thai ginger in there, and you can see how it changed, put it on low, and you want it to simmer. And my rice is in the microwave right now, and like I said, this meal, you hear the microwave right there. This meal could be made in like 5 minutes if you could buy it all pre-made. You should really smell this Thai ginger sauce right now. Alright, so I can tell you one thing. The smell of my kitchen is unbelievable. So I put in the Thai ginger sauce that works for me. That has a really good flavor. And you can see the juices in here. So just start mixing this. And keep your stove a little bit past low. Not quite to medium, but just put it a couple notches above low, and you can adjust it. So just keep working this together. If you have to, add more sauce. You can see the chicken is starting to get that. If you really wanted to, you could take the marinade in a Ziploc bag and put that into a Ziploc bag and roll the bag up where you get the air out and let it sit in the refrigerator for 4 hours before you cook this. So the thing we're going to do is we're just going to work this. My rice is done. You could see the quality of that. Even though it's microwave, that is a really good brand. So the thing we're going to do is, once this gets to where we want it to be, throw the rice in a bowl or on a plate, and then we'll put the chicken on, and then we'll pour the sauce on. But if you're a type of person who likes a lot of sauce, or a lot of sauce on the rice, make sure you add more to the pan. So I'll see you at the plate. Alright, so we're at the plate. You can see that I put that rice on there. If you wanted to, you can make a Thai ginger rice bowl. It's all up to you, but I wanted to put it on the plate so we could see it a little bit better. But like I said, I used that organic rice. The thing now is I turn my pan up to medium. I'm going to turn that off. And the thing you want to do is just stir it a little bit and just start working the chicken to on top of your rice. Just start working that on top of your rice. If you want, you could cut up the chicken a little bit smaller, but arrange it the way you want. And the thing we want to do is try to leave the sauce in there. We're going to pour it right over top. So this is, like I say, you can got the chicken with that really good rice grill marks. So just put it on top, and then we'll drizzle the sauce on. And that, I'm telling you, this smells really good and tastes awesome. Alright, so we have the chicken there. Look at the sauce. And there's the chicken. So just take this sauce and just drizzle it over top of everything. If you want, you can take the pan, start putting it over top. And the thing you want to do is don't leave this here. Scrape this up with a spoon and throw that on top. But that's your Thai ginger chicken over top of rice. The taste of this is out of this world. Alright, so that's your Thai ginger chicken in less than 10 minutes if you bought everything pre-cooked. So thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, hit the bell, tell your friends about it. This is your Friday upload. You enjoy your weekend. I bring you more stuff. Next week I definitely have this really good tasty turkey sandwich made on sesame seed roll. And I'm not sure what the rest of the week is. I definitely want to bring you red clam sauce. But this is definitely your Thai ginger chicken. Like I said, you could have made it in a bowl if you want. You could put it on top of lettuce. But there it is. It's really healthy and it tastes good, and you should smell this kitchen. Talk to you soon. See you next week. Be safe. Love you. Bye-bye. Dansoy, amateur cook.